And how many toys have we made this week?
413.
Excellent. And how about you?
402.
Great. And what about you, buddy?
24.
24. That puts us about 357 off pace.
Just say it. I'm a cotton-headed ninny muggins.
No, buddy, you're not a cotton-headed ninny muggins. You have other special talents. In fact, you have the most Christmas spirit I've ever seen. Why don't you head up to Santa's office? I think he has a special mission just for you.
Buddy, there's something that you should know. There's a reason why you don't build toys as fast as the other elves. It's because you're from a family of realtors.
Realtors?
Yes, they help people buy and sell real estate. Your sister is the owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Verani Realty, the biggest name in real estate. And I need you to travel there to bring some Christmas spirit back into the company.
Why?
Because last year, the Grinch came and stole all their Christmas spirit. And they're scared that he's gonna come back again this year.
Oh, how awful. How do I get there?
It's easy. You just travel across the ocean, through the candy cane forest, around the mountains, down the freeway, and through the city, and you're there.
Got it.
Oh, and buddy, there's one more thing you should know. Your sister, she's on the naughty list.
No!
I told you I need that on my desk by Friday. I don't care if it's Christmas Eve.
Thank you. Thank you. Santa! Not Santa. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations! World's best real estate company. You did it. Great job, everyone. Hi. Get out here. What is wrong with you? Wow, this is it. Verani Realty. 1 Verani Way, Londonderry, New Hampshire. Oh, hello.
Hi. Floor?
2. I'm here to see my sister.
Great.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
I forget, I'm a hugger. Forgot to give you a hug. Excuse me. I'm here for Margarita Verani.
You look hilarious. Who sent you?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
From the North Pole.
From the North Pole?
Yeah?
Hi, Margarita. It's Mary on the intercom.
Go ahead.
I think someone sent you a Christmas gram.
Margarita!
Well, let's get this over with.
I walked all day and all night to find you.
You look like you came from the North Pole.
That's exactly where I came from.
So go on.
Go on with what?
You're going to sing a song or something so I can get back to work?
Okay. I'm here with my sister, and we never met, and she wants me to sing her a song, and I was adopted, and you didn't know I was born, but I'm here now, and I love you, I love you, I love you.
Well, that was weird.
It's me, Buddy, Ozzy's son.
Who sent you?
Santa Claus. He sent me here to spread Christmas cheer.
How?
Well, the best way to spread Christmas cheer is to sing loud for all to hear.
We have enough Christmas cheer.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do. And Santa's coming tomorrow morning.
Santa! I know him.
I think we should call security.
I think you're right.
I like to whisper too. It's okay. Margarita's my sister.
Well, your sister's busy right now.
Oh, it's okay. I'll come back.
Oh, you won't be coming back for a while.
Well, if they won't let me spread Christmas cheer during the day, I'll have to come back at night.
Wow, this looks amazing. I thought we weren't celebrating Christmas this year. Who did this?
I did. After all you guys been through last year, I thought you needed some more Christmas cheer.
You know, buddy, I was wrong. We do need some Christmas cheer. As a matter of fact, I think we need Christmas cheer all year long.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Santa!
Hey, congratulations, buddy. You restored Christmas spirit to Verani Realty.
You know, the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. You better watch out. You better not cry. You
Better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Buddy the Elf, what's your favorite color?